Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to open multiple Zoom clients in a single computer. So let's get started. Normally if you try to open multiple times, the same window which has already been opened will be popped up. So to open multiple times, we need to virtualize this program. So to virtualize this program, we need a tool called Sandboxy. So let's open the browser and type Sandboxy. The first link you can see, the sandboxy.com, is the original link, and it will redirect you to Sandboxy Plus, which is upgraded version. As you can see, the Sandboxy is sandbox based isolation program based on Windows, and it is developed by Softpos, and the Sandboxy Plus is developed by David X. Santos. So let's go to the downloads. Here you can see that Windows 64-bit downloads. Here is a Sandbox Classic, and here's the Sandbox Plus. Latest is the greatest. So let's go to the Sandbox Plus. Let me download. Now try to open and install it. So I don't want to start it, so let me install. As you can see, the Sandbox Plus has been installed. Let me open it. So as you can see, the software compatibility of these programs has not yet been configured, so we can press OK to configure it. Let me click OK, and you can see this is the Sandboxy control, and you have the default box which is nothing in it, but you can modify it, but I rather create a new one. So you can click this sandbox and create a new box. I will call it mic. So I don't need to copy in the default box, which is not anything is there. So let me create it again, and we'll create new one called Max. So there are two boxes has been created. So now go to the Zoom app and right click. You can see run sandboxed. So click on this. You'll get this dialog box, and you can choose the sandbox which you have been created. So as you can see, we have been created the virtual Zoom client, and it's been opened. So let me create another Zoom client called Mac. So in the control box you can see the mic and the Max has been running these Zoom clients, which is a virtualized Zoom client, and you can see we have multiple dialog box. In this title you can see that Zoom is an original, or you can see the normal method which you have opened, and this is the virtualized Zoom client. There is a hashtag before and after Zoom. So let me connect my Zoom meeting. So as you can see, again same three windows has been popped up. So as you can see, there are three windows, and another one is connecting still. Okay. So if you can see, there is a three window, and the participant you can see me 3, and there is a 3 window Zoom client which you can open in a single computer. So you can open multiple times. It take resources, like you can see in the task manager. so I have running the OBS, it doesn't matter. But so as you can see, the Zoom meeting is taking 100 MB each for virtualizing it, and with this is only without displaying anything in this Zoom meeting. If you have displayed anything or any classes has been going on, any slides has been shown, this RAM will be increased dynamically. I don't know how much RAM it's been consumed, but do open the virtual, taskbar, and refer it. So this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.